introduce myself. My name is Alvin Iskaruddin with number ID number 13. I made this video to fulfill Islamic Economic and Business course. The difference between Murabah, As-Salam, Istisqa, Qard, and Rahan and Wadi'ah contract. The first is a Murabah contract, which is a sell and purchase contract for certain goods wherein the sell and purchase the seller clearly states the goods being charged including the purchase price and the profit taken. For the scans is left according to the picture in the picture. There is a sell and purchase contract between the bank and the customer until the goods are received by the customer. The second is the As-Salam contract. The explain of the As-Salam scam is simply that there are two parties to the transaction, namely the seller and the buyer. While the seller is A and the buyer as B, person B will buy a product from a tractor. Because the tractor could not pay profits directly at that time, person B made a grading contract to person A. Person B explained specifically the tractor he wanted. After arranging the tractor is made and at the appointed time to be complete, the tractor is sent to A. Next is the Istana contract. The Istana contract scheme where Islamic banks are posited as seller. In this case, the customer ordered goods according to specification to the bank. When agreed, the bank ordered the goods from the manufacturer. While the goods are made, the customer pay money to the bank by paying in the advance, in installment, or at the end. When the goods are finished, the goods are sent directly to the customer. Next is the card contract, a loan contract that must be returned in the same amount at the agreed time. Technical, this loan is given by a person of Islamic financial institution to another person, which is then used for urgent needs payment. It can be made in installment or in full at a council. For the scheme of the card contract is it like the picture below. Next is the Rahan contract, which is holding the material contractor collateral belonging to the borrower Rahan as collateral, or the loan received and the goods received are of economic value, so that the holding party, Murhatin, gets a warranty to take back all or part of his debt from the pawned good, referred to if the party who pawns is unable to pay the debt at the specified time. And the last is Wadi'ah contract, which is a contract that gives another person a responsibility against to keep to good or legal ownership. For example, a toxic good in the form of wine, constituted before people embrace Islam. Later, that can be done. On the other hand, safekeeping may not be in the form of goods that do not become full ownership. For example, goods that are prohibited from being used and property that is lost. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.